So I would say it actually flows naturally, if you ask me. So if I'm a salaried person, some part of my salary is going as a deduction under the Employees Provident Fund, which is captured under Section 80C. Many people also pay insurance premiums, which is again captured under Section 80C. Some of the people may also have housing loans for which they make some principal repayments, which is again captured under 80C. So typically what happens is, if this amounts to X, you will invest 1.5 lakhs minus X. So if that is, say, you add up the other components that I mentioned, adds up to 80,000. You have another 70,000 that you may invest in ELSS. So in that way, the investments under Section 80C are naturally diversified. So because insurance premiums and your bank FDs or your EPF for that matter, Employee Provident Fund, they are all largely classified under the fixed income space, and this is an equity instrument. So you are, I would say, naturally diversified. So you may not need to further diversify, but if you still want to know exactly by how much, I would say that people who are younger can afford to go overboard on the equity front because they have a long investment horizon. People who are a bit senior or nearing retirement, they may look at it from a risk appetite perspective. So if they don't have the risk to invest in equities, they may lower their investment. But still, if you have got a decent investment horizon, it's good enough.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.